Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you miss our latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new iPhone 18 Pro Max, and trust me, Apple has taken things to a whole new level this year. Design and display. First off, let's talk design. The iPhone 18 Pro Max continues Apple's legacy of sleek, premium aesthetics, but this time with even thinner bezels and a punch-hole front camera, finally ditching the notch. It comes in 4 stunning colors, including a new titanium blue finish that looks absolutely gorgeous. Cut to B-roll. Spinning phone animation, close-ups of display. On the front, you're getting a stunning 6.9-inch Promotion XDR OLED display with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It's incredibly bright, crisp, and responsive, perfect for gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling through your feed. Camera. Now, let's get to what everyone's talking about, that insane 200MP rear camera. Yes, you heard that right. Apple has finally joined the ultra-high megapixel game, and the results are jaw-dropping. The main sensor is paired with a periscope-style telephoto lens, ultra-wide, and LiDAR scanner, giving you crystal-clear shots, even in low light. Cut to samples, daylight photos, night shots, portrait mode, 8K video footage. Video recording supports up to 8K at 60 frames per second, and the new Cinematic Mode 3.0 delivers buttery smooth depth transitions. Vloggers and filmmakers, this one's for you. Performance. Under the hood, we've got the brand new Apple A20 Pro chipset, built on a 2nm architecture. Paired with 12GB of RAM, this phone is an absolute beast. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing 4K video on the go, the iPhone 18 Pro Max handles it all effortlessly. Cut to benchmarks, app opening tests, and gameplay footage. And yes, it comes with 6G connectivity. Blazing fast downloads, seamless streaming, and future-proof networking. Battery life. Powering all this tech is a 5,150 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Thanks to Apple's new power efficiency algorithms, you can easily get through a full day and a half on a single charge. Plus, fast charging is better than ever, 50% in just 15 minutes. Cut to charging demo, screen on-time stats. Software and features. Running on iOS 19, the iPhone 18 Pro Max brings deeper AI integration, smarter Siri, and more customizations than ever before. New privacy tools, productivity features, and improved widgets make it feel like a true next-gen experience. Price and final verdict. So, is the iPhone 18 Pro Max worth it? If you're a power user, a creator, or just want the best Apple has to offer, this phone delivers. It's powerful, beautiful, and packed with features that future-proof your investment. On screen, 200MP camera. Apple A20 Pro. 5,150 mAh battery. 6G support. 6.9-inch 144Hz OLED display. Now, let us know what you think about the iPhone 18 Pro Max in the comments below. Would you upgrade? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.